There's a brand new program we're piloting in the Forsyth County for all high schoolers called BMore. The mission of BMore is simple: to help high school students be more successful in and after high school and be more prepared for the real world. The idea for BMore was born of a desire to give high school kids the confidence and courage they need to be successful, whether for their first internship or college or entering the workforce. This means instilling and empowering them with a set of skills, like social skills, communication skills, and leadership skills, so they can be the very best they can be. This program is designed for students who are sophomores, juniors, seniors, the ones that are headed off to mentorships, internships, or even graduation. We're going to talk about business etiquette, handling complex real-life and work situations, decision-making, setting goals for their future, and managing their time effectively. Things kids can use right now in the real world. We're going to teach it in a really unique way. 4 sessions, 3 hours apiece throughout the school year. They're going to learn from real business people how these skills should be put into practice, and they are going to feel more confident when we're all finished. At the end, they'll actually graduate and get a certificate from the University of North Georgia, which adds to their resume when they're later applying for jobs or for college. Register your high schooler right away as they begin internships, first jobs, and college interviews at www.bmorestudents.com, or students can still enroll for the first of 4 3-hour workshops on the evening of September 19, 2019 from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Registration is at 5:30 p.m. The cost is $99 for all 4 workshops. BMore is not just for students. Registration includes entry for both a parent and student for all 4 sessions. And while students are learning new skills, parents will be involved in their own sessions where they'll hear from leading industry experts and learn valuable ways to support and inspire their student on this journey.